What happened? Why? Why?
Where should I do my intro?
Wherever the fuck you want.
Over there, maybe? I like this camera angle, so let's stick with
It
that.
is pretty nice, yeah.
Hello, folks. Norfilas CarpeDiem with me is Coxster.
Hello.
So, we just hit 300 subscribers on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome.
Yes. Thank you, everybody.
Love every one of you, but what we're about to do, we're not
gonna
going
make
to like.
me hate myself.
So, along the lines of guys like Furious Pete, LA Beast,
Matt Stoney.
yep, Matt Stoney.
Yep.
We watch these, we watch a lot of YouTube, so we watch this all the time. We're gonna do a couple challenges, just a couple, and then we're gonna cry and die and
Yeah.
usual. So, what do you got there, Mr. Coxster?
I have 3 lemons.
Three whole lemons.
3 whole lemons. I'm gonna attempt to eat the skin and all.
Whole thing, all 3 of them.
Everything.
Furious Pete
I've
just did
heard
this
that
one.
it tastes great, and I really want to try it. How about you? What do you got?
I got a whole jug of limes.
Oh, that looks nice.
And we saw LA Beast do this, and I'm gonna blend these up the whole thing. I didn't skin nothing. These are the rinds and everything, right? What do I got in there? 7 of them?
7.
6.
Looks like I got 6 of them. Half a dozen.
Half
That
a
should make
dozen
it.
limes.
That should make one hell of a nice drink for you.
We got cameras there. We got cameras there. We got cameras there again. And then we got cameras over there. This guy. He's watching what we're doing.
Yeah.
Just in case shit goes south. We are prepared.
We are prepared. Yes.
So, do this at the same time.
Are we doing it at the same
I
time?
think
You have
that's
to blend
only
yours
fair.
up first. You have to
So-
blend yours up first.
300 subscribers.
Thank you, everybody. This is for you.
Everybody watching, thank you. Please subscribe. Check us out on Twitter. We're always on Twitter. We'll talk back to you.
And let us know what you think.
Comments.
If you guys want us to do more eating challenges, if you like it, I'll try.
We're not going to be as badass as Furious Pete.
No,
or
sorry.
Matt. Yeah,
Or Matt Stoney or LA Beast.
No,
Those guys are insane.
we're not record breakers, but
No, just
I'm going to go
couple
blend up
guys.
some lines.
Yep.
Thank
Go
you.
blend your blind. Your
What he said.
limes. Blending. Okay, let's yeah.
Prepare for noise. Oh god, this is going to be bad.
Come on. I think we need to shake it. Shake it. Oh, jeez. You just lost half your limes.
They'll go back in there. Ooh, it smells delicious.
Oh, boy. Do you need to put a little bit of water in there?
No, that's cheap. Alright. There we have blended limes. See if this camera captures any better.
Half a dozen blended limes.
Blended
Smells
limes, right there.
Great.
Smells very limey.
Oh, yeah.
You see that? Yeah, you see that?
Make sure everybody can see it.
Chunks and all. Chunks and all. Here we go.
You just gonna eat it straight out of there, huh?
I think so.
Are we doing it at the same time?
Yeah, we're gonna do this at the same time. So, watch what's happening here.
This doesn't smell as good.
Enjoy. Yeah, you can take the stem off. I'd understand that.
I just don't want to choke.
I'm gonna drink all this. And you're gonna eat.
There's no way. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to eat all 3 of these, but I highly doubt it's gonna.
No
happen.
time
I'm
limit.
gonna fucking put one bite. I can see this happening. It's gonna go bah! all over you.
Ready?
CarpeDiem.
Seize the day.
Seize the day. Woo!
Wow!
You okay?
That's thick. Oh, God. Mmm.
So,
Oh, God, I can't even put it back in my mouth.
kind of a pain in the ass chewing up the peel. But it's not that bad. You have a try.
Oh, wow.
That's a great idea.
I'm seriously just. Full on gagging on this.
I'm very close to gagging on this.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. I tried just a little bit too. I didn't.
Holy shit. Oh man. Is that good?
No.
You want to try some of this?
Whew, I can't do it. For whatever reason. It's really sour. And something about the texture will not go down my throat at all. Maybe got a couple gulps out of this. God damn. How you doing? You're working on what? I can't do this. I can't do
If I
this.
eat the seeds, are they going to grow in my belly?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried. I really did. I got a whole lot of limes here still. Oh god, this is bad. Maybe it's too thick.
Oh god.
Well, that was fun, guys.
Oh. This is terrible. Hats off to
Jeez, I can't.
all those guys. I can't. Oh, jeez. Why? How? Why do you do this to yourself? I could probably finish this. I don't know if I want to.
You're gonna be sick when we have one of them.
Get her done.
One lime. Lemon.
Lemon.
The limes did not work out.
I'm gonna have to try. I
Yeah.
might try. I got it.
Okay, I drink out of this side, so if you just hold it in your left hand, you're good. Sort of.
Solid.
Sort of. There might have been some gone back in there.
Oh, you did spit back in there. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, not a good idea. I don't feel so good. I was gagging on that bad.
Well, next time, puke it up into the bag, not in the batch.
Well, I didn't really puke it up. I swallowed, but what was in my mouth, I did spit out. Yeah.
Whew.
I did spit it out.
Oh, it's all over my lips. It's really sour.
Oh god.
It's not that bad, right?
Peel and everything? Really? Dude, what the fuck? I can't swallow peel now.
Oh, that was a really sour one.
Bad juju, don't do this. Don't eat this fucking shit. If you want a lime or a lemon, you should peel it.
Yeah. Peel it, cut it up into small pieces, and have it with something.
Oh, that's sour. Oh man. Peel, man. I can't eat a fucking peel.
Oh, every time I take a bite, like as soon as it hits the back of my throat, and I feel it coming every time. It's just oh.
Man. Well, we're pretty much complete failures. See you in an hour.
That might take a while.
Go away. The limes were not good at all.
Oh man.
Oh, that burns.
Oh. Fuck, dude. How you doing over there?
Good, I got, about that much eaten.
Yeah, I really don't want to take off that top part there.
A little nub.
Yeah,
Mm.
but I guess you got to. Fucking peel is just
Fucking worst. It's not. Not at all good. Not at all. Tastes like you're eating a fucking peel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be proud of you if you finish that. I don't even want to finish this.
I
But
might get close. It is getting worse every bite though.
Mm.
Oh, dude, my first bite sent crap all over my.
Mm.
This is terrible.
Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. And watching us torture ourselves.
Ugh.
Come on. There you go. Yeah, split into sections here. My lips are on fire. Oh, fuck. So bad. Mm.
Oh, that knob is terrible. Oh. Oh, fuck. This is bad.
Ah. Oh my god, my lips are on fire. So much pain. So much pain. You're close, dude. You're close. I ain't even close. I'm trying to grin and bear it with you. Mm. Oh, so bad. So bad. My lips are burning.
I kept it to one side, so only this side's burning. I still got another side.
Mm. Burning. Absolute burning. Ah. God damn. Ah.
I'm almost done with one. That's all I'm gonna do. Oh, there's no way I could do 3 of these. Whoa! It was such a hard time. Oh, it really starts burning your mouth.
Ooh, my eyes are watering.
The inside of my mouth is kind of burning. I'd imagine this is kind of like the Warhead Challenge. I ain't even gonna try that. But
I'm good.
really sour.
I'm good.
My hands are soaked with lemon.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I'm crying a little. Gagging a lot. Thank you again, everybody. I've got 2 halves left. Yeah, I just ate the middle. Just the middle. That's all yeah. I'm done. I'm gonna throw in the towel. I'll sit here and watch old Coxster finish her off. I'm so not proud of me right now.
It just started to burn. My mouth burns.
Oh yeah, mine is on. Yeah, it's burning. It's burning. It's burning. It's burning. Whoo! Stick around. Watch our YouTube channel. Love you guys. Appreciate every last one of you. I'm not going to eat any more lemons or limes. No more. Me neither. Did you finish one? Yeah, come on.
One more bite.
Finish one. Got this.
One lemon.
Eyes are watering.
Peel and all.
House on fire.
House on fire.
Mouth.
Oh.
Mouth is on fire. There it is. Fine job. Like a boss. Whew. That's bad. So bad. How you feeling?
Like that's gonna suck coming out.
I had like 2 gulps of that lime juice blend thing. Fine job.
Woo!
I had maybe a quarter.
Ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, no, fuck.
Oh man.
My tongue is on fire, my lips are on fire.
At least I got one. I'm a little proud of myself. I really wanted to try that shake, but you kind of spit up in it, so.
I had issues, yeah. Thank you. 300.
300. Damn near a million.
Yeah, we're damn near the million, guys. Hang with us, we'll be there.
Yeah.
CarpeDiem, seize the day. Later.
Bye-bye!
What happened? Why?